Hey y'all, today we're making corn dip. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need Southwest corn, diced green chilies, diced jalapenos, green onion, Fiesta Ranch seasoning, Mexican blend cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and corn chips to dip. In a large bowl, combine 2 15-ounce cans of Southwest corn. Be sure to strain them first. A 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos, 1/4 cup of green onion, 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, and a pack of Fiesta Ranch seasoning. Season with black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix until well combined. Add 2 cups of Mexican blend cheese. Mix until well combined. And there you have it, corn dip. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.